Hi, I'm Graham, and I have been using Spacious for the past 3 months, and it's actually completely changed how I look at technology. I didn't think it was possible for computers to be so vibrant and colorful, and so immersive even. About 2 years ago, I was diagnosed with high blood pressure. Looking back on it, I can see that my work life balance was way off, and eventually the stress of the job mixed with my condition forced me to take the time off. That was a really tough time in my life for sure. But then I had a recommendation to try out Spacious, and I haven't looked back since. I was actually able to hire a designer to construct the environment of my spacious world, and what I love is that they really took the time to cater to my needs. The forest is just a peaceful place to exist in, and my doctors actually saw a drop in my blood pressure. I also love how the time in the world syncs up to the real time. I've seen that it's dramatically improved my work-life balance, and it's also just really nice to have the world change around you during the day. It just naturally triggers me to want to stop the work and either log off for the day and spend time with my family or kick back and watch film or reading. I've even just found myself staring at the stars some days. Work-wise, I can still use all the apps that I normally would, but then our IT team have begun creating some custom software that is starting to really make use of all the affordances of Spacious. For example, the health of the forest around me is linked to live data from our customer satisfaction surveys. The windier it is, the more online traffic we are getting. Oh, and one of my favorite is that the louder the birds are chirping in the trees, the more complaints I'm receiving from my employees.
One of our highest priorities here at Spacious is ensuring that our users have complete control of their environments. At the same time, we have to balance this by keeping things simple and intuitive to use. We've absolutely loved seeing how Graham and his company have embraced Spacious, making their worlds inspired by nature. Ultimately, our species has evolved surrounded by the natural world, so our aim is to make computers closer to those environments so they become more and more seamless to interact with.
My spacious world feels so personal, like a second home in a way that standard computers just can't achieve. More people need to start using this because honestly, it changed the whole way I look at the technology. This feels like it could be the future.